Good morning, everyone. Today is English Friday, January 29th. February starts Monday. It is the month of kindness and sharing. What can you do to be kind to others? Give compliments is a good way. What are the benefits of sharing? Watch a video that will tell you everything about the advantages of sharing with your classmates. Click here to watch the video. Oops, I almost forgot to tell you. February is also English month. Miss Anna, Miss France, and Miss Gabby have a 28 days English challenge for you. Are you up to it? This is the 28 Days of English challenge. When it is February 1st, click on the 1 for your daily activity. Practice classroom instructions in English. Click here to watch the daily video. When it is February 2nd, click on the 2 for your daily challenge. Review the months of the year. Click here to watch your daily video. That's it. Have a kind English Friday. Bye.